Good morning, Johar. Myself Prachi Kumari and I am a second year student of IHM Ranchi. Today I am going to make Madua Pancake. I have tried to give a modern fusion to our Jharkhandi food. Thank you. Now let's get started. Now let me show you the ingredients. Here we have milk, sugar, salt, butter and our main hero ingredient, Ragi, also known as Madua, and of course maida and baking soda. Let's get started with the measurement. We will take 60 grams of whole purpose flour. Now we will add 30 grams of ragi, our main ingredient. We will add 40 grams of sugar. And now 120 ml of milk. Now we'll add 20 grams of butter. And we will add just a pinch of salt to balance all the taste. And also a pinch of baking soda. Now let's start with the mixing of all the ingredients. There should be no lumps in our batter, and if needed we have to pour more milk. Now we have to preheat our pan, then we will put some butter and pour our batter so that the batter doesn't get stick to our pan. First we will wait for the pan to get heated. Now we will pour the batter into the pan, but we have to make sure the butter is less. We don't have to add too much of butter. Now we will add some bananas. We will cover our pancake so it can cook properly. Now we will add the banana. Our pancake is semi-cooked, so we have to add some bananas. We will just add 5 to 6 pieces of bananas in our pancake. Now our banana pancake is ready. Through this video, I wanted to show that nowadays people are liking much of modern food, so we can add a modern touch in the traditional foods of our state. Thank you.